In the previous video, we have learned how to represent some of the irrational numbers like root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the number line. In this video, we will look at how to represent numbers like 2 root 2, 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. These are also irrational numbers and how we can represent them on the number line. So once we know how to represent, let's say root 2 on the number line, we will do the same construction. So I have drawn the number line, then I have taken 2 centimeter as 1 unit scale. So OA and AB are 1 unit each, angle A is 90°. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, OB is root 2 units. And taking the radius as OB, I have drawn an arc here and it intersects the number line at point C. So OC length is root 2. Point C represents root 2. Now we know that 2 root 2 is same as root 2 plus root 2. Then what I can do is I can take the same length as OB and OC, which is root 2. Now with my compass at point C, the center at point C, I will cut an arc at the right side of the number line. My radius is root 2 units right now. Therefore, wherever it cuts the number line, let's say this is point D, this point becomes 2 root 2. Now let's say for the next number 3 plus root 2, I will take my compass centered at point wherever it is 3. So this is the center at point 3. My radius is already root 2 units and I will construct an arc on the right side of the number line and it cuts the number line at this point. Let's say this is point E. So what happened here? Starting from 0, which is point O, and let's say this is point F, where I have 3. OF is 3 units, FE is root 2 unit. Therefore, point E, let's say the length OE will be OF plus FE, which is 3 plus root 2. Therefore, E represents 3 plus root 2. Now, how do I construct 3 minus root 2? I can again position my compass wherever we have point 3. This is point F. And the radius is already root 2 units. Now, instead of constructing the arc on the right side, I will construct an arc on the left side of the number line. So this arc cuts the number line over here. Let's say this point is point G. So what I have is, I can say the length OG is OF minus GF. OF was 3 units and GF is root 2 units. So OG is 3 minus root 2 units.